Good morning, everybody. It's time to wake up and let's do our makeup. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. This is Stephanie. I'm also known as GLITZYGem. Thank you for joining me here today. Hope you're having a lovely and wonderful morning. Thank you for joining me here. For those who are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you for being here. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell. Also give my video a thumbs up. It helps out with my algorithms. And then also leave me a comment down below. So today I'll be finishing up my Ipsy bagging from yesterday. So if you haven't seen my video on Sunday where I did a skincare try on with the items that I had in this bag, I'll go ahead and put the video at the end of this video. You'll be seeing a video of my most recent videos. And then so today we get to play with the makeup portion of my glam bag, which is the eyeshadow and it's the lip oil. Hope you're able to catch a glimpse of these. So first of all, how's y'all's morning going? Hope you're having a wonderful day, and hope you have the rest of your Monday goes well. Yeah, so Makeup Monday, ladies. You know, makes me think of Faye Blatcher. You know, this would have been her Makeup Monday to do from the last one she did. And she loved her Makeup Mondays. I mean, if you watched her videos, she had this contagious laugh. She had this really nice personality on camera. She was, I mean, she was funny, hilarious. She was, oh my goodness, she was a wonderful human being. And yeah, I did think of her right now, and I did talk about how there's going to be days and moments in your life. You know, if you know somebody, there's going to be moments in your life that you're going to remember them by. Any little thing that you do throughout your day is going to remind you of them. And yeah, she did leave an impression on me like that. So, and I don't mind sharing that with you guys. So yeah, it is hard doing a Makeup Monday, ladies, without her. I'm going to miss her. You know, I loved her. I'm going to miss her. So in today's video, we're going to go ahead and create a look with the Eleman Beauty palette that I didn't get to do a look with yesterday. So we're going to go ahead and do that right now, since I already have everything. I have all my complexion products on, and now I just have to do my eyeshadow, and that's about it, because I have my blush, everything, bronzer, you name it, and I have it on. All right, give me 1 second and I'll be right back. I'll be showing you a skit of all the ladies who participate in Makeup Monday, ladies. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with this shade here. This shimmer right here. I'm going to put that all over my lid. Grab my mirror, guys, because I need my mirror. I'm going to put that all over my lid. I'm going to do one eye on camera, one eye off camera, just to make this process go a lot faster. But let me know, did y'all get this in y'all's Ipsy glam bag? If y'all have Ipsy, let me know. I would like to know if y'all received it or not, and what y'all think about it. Oh, this is beautiful. It's a beautiful shade. Not only that, it came on really nice and smooth. It looks really creamy on the eyes. That looks wonderful. All right, let's go ahead and, you know, jazz it up a little, right? So go ahead and use a small blending brush like this. Able to see me. Problem in the camera's view. So I'm going to take the next shade right next to it, which is a much lighter nude. and just put that all in my crease in my outer corner. I do have hooded eyes, so I do have to work a little harder, you know, just to get my eyeshadow to look just right. All right. Okay. Get another. We'll go ahead and deepen that shade up and just put that all here in the crease on the outer corner, just to kind of give me that dimension. It's looking quite beautiful. I think it's looking quite nice. I hope you ladies at home, you know, get to do y'all's makeup, get to pull out y'all's palettes y'all haven't used, you know, a lot of, or just a little intimidated with color, and you're just used to, you know, in your comfort zone. This would be a nice, beautiful palette for day to night. You can really make this a really nice evening look, and then also very nice daytime look as well. I think this is a very well-rounded and a very practical palette for those who are beginners or who are dabbling in makeup as well. So if you have any questions, leave them down below in the comments. If you want to ask me anything, this is going to be a quick and easy video. So the next thing I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to add some of this pink shade, because I already used the shimmer and these 3 shades here. The shimmer, the light brown, and the one that's a little deeper than that as well. So I used those, and then I'm going to go ahead and use this pink shimmer now for the eyebrow bone, just to give that a little splash of color. Wow, this is a very overall well-rounded palette, guys. It's not big. It does not have too many colors. I don't think anybody will get lost in creating an eye look. So now I'll be using this last shimmer, this one here. I'll be using that in the inner corner. There we go, there we have it. And maybe using just a little dab right here underneath the brow bone area, just a little dab, that's all I need. All right. I will use some brown down here, the lower lash line. It's just like a really nice soft brown that's in the palette, the light one, because there's 2. There's a light and there's a darker one. So for now, just the lighter one, and then I'll go in with the darker one right behind it. Overall, for an Ipsy full-size palette, Eleman, and well, this palette in particular, because I've tried some of their Eleman shadows where they used to be the duos. Those were pretty good, you know, as far the formula goes, are pretty good. This one is good too, but I think I like the way the other ones performed. I think the other ones were a little bit more pigmented. I don't know if it's because of the color story. The color story in this one does seem, you know, very neutral. Very natural, neutral. And if you like that, you're going to love this palette. Alright, I'm done with this. I'm going to go ahead and come off camera, do the other eye. Alright, I'll be right back. Ta-da! So here is my other side completed. I went ahead and I put some brown eyeliner on the top lash line. Get a little closer so I can see the eye look that I created, using this nice Ballerine palette from Eleman Beauty. So I went ahead and I used a brown liner. Like I said, for the top lash line, I used my Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara. And then I will be using my About Face eyeliner. And I just got this in one of my boxes just recently. It was my limited edition Allure Box of Beauty, or Allure Best of Beauty. That's what it's called. Allure Best of Beauty. Hello, I have it in the my back wall. Allure Best of Beauty. So it was in that box, a limited edition, and it was this one here, the About Face eyeliner. If you're able to see that. And a lot, you know, a few were on the fence about the color. It has a sharpener at the end as well to sharpen it up. Yeah, a lot, you know, just a few were on the fence about the color being pink and not sure about how that's going to appear. But I like to have an eye where, you know, where you're not doing like a smoky eye, where you always using like the black eyeliner. You know, even a pink like this can brighten up on the eyeline. So I'll be putting that on my waterline. I'll be able to see me if I don't look blurred out. This is a perfect color for the eyeshadow look that I created. It's just a wonderful, beautiful color. It complements this palette down to the brown eyeliner. Just complements everything, the color story. And this is really creamy and smooth. Just building up the shade. I'm building it up a notch. So I can start seeing now how the waterline looks a little more darker and brightening, more brighter. Alright, so there we have that. Wow, really beautiful. Really like this. Colors, really enjoyed creating this look, you guys. Alright. So now we're gonna go next with the lip. So because it is a lip oil, I want to go ahead and contour my lips with one of my favorite lip liners. This is the Jessica Libenstein in the shade Mocha Vintage lip liner. shade Mocha. I'll just be lining my lips with that. And it's a really soft mocha. If you're able to see that. It's just a really soft mocha. Almost like a pinkish nudie color. There we have it. So let's go ahead and try on this billion dollar beauty lip oil, and let's watch it turn from clear to pink. Let me see if that really does happen. So here it is. Should be able to see that. It's probably, sorry if it's a little blurred out. Alright, so let me go ahead. Maybe I saw that, maybe not. But I did my unboxing yesterday, so you're able to see that on my channel. You'll be seeing it at the end of the video. So this is how the wand looks like. Really nice, pretty wand. Yeah, looks comfortable as well. Really cushiony. So let's apply that on. Oh wow, it automatically turned pink. It didn't even turn clear. It wasn't even clear. As soon as I applied it on my lips, it turned pink. Isn't that amazing? Wow, look at that. It gave me a really nice dark pink. A really nice dark pink. Usually, okay, I would understand maybe like a light pink, nude, almost kind of clear pink, but this is like a raspberry pink, guys. Really nice. I didn't expect it to be that bright, but it's beautiful. I like the color. I will be using this more often. Yes, I can use it, put it in my purse, put it on, and have a nice pink lip. So thank you everybody for joining me here today. So I'll see you in my next video, and I'll be putting videos at the end of this video of suggested videos for you to watch, and I'll see you in my next one. I love you all. Have a great, wonderful day.